Happy day after Thanksgiving to those who celebrated yesterday. I hope you did not eat too much because I know how that is. Today is Black Friday, and that means a couple of things. One is that I'm having a Black Friday sale. I will put a link to it in the doobly doo. There is one brand new class that just launched today, and it's the Phonology Wheel class that I'm co teaching with Marion from Marion's World. I'm so excited. Put a link in the doobly doo to her video announcing it and some other things. So you might want to go see that too. And leave me a comment and let me know after you watch her video about what you thought about the other things she said, because it's exciting. Anyway, I'm going to be back tomorrow with an art video because I don't want to do all talking. I just wanted you to know that there is a sale and there's a coupon code on the page that I link down below. So go get yourself a class, maybe the Phonology Wheel class. And if your cart gets to over $100, then guess what? I might be sending you some art in the mail. I'll see you later.